And temporary workers are also to be involved. In fact, let me say here this morning that absolutely no temporary worker, no casual worker, no contractor worker, all of whom we are engaged in raging battle for right now at these negotiations. In respect of the contractor workers, the company went and they unilaterally interfered with the collective agreement. And they started to pay you, the contractor workers, scrums, yes, scrums, below the minimum rate. And therefore, if anything at all, the company owe you money. And if they owe you money, and you join with them to fight against us, well, if you are part of the problem, you can't be a part of the solution. But if you are part of the problem to cause hindrance in us getting our just due, that is something that we will not forget. And therefore, your best bet is to join with the union and the workers in ensuring that this strike action can be successful. None shall escape. No contractor workers. And to the casual and temporary workers, today as we speak, the company is refusing to fill all the vacancies. There are a significant number of vacancies in the company. And it is our battle to ensure that the company fill all vacancies because it takes people to do work. And therefore, therein lies the opportunity for you to get a permanent job. And to the extent that you cannot get a permanent job, having filled out all of those vacancies, there is still the opportunity for you to be afforded on a temporary casual basis work in Petrotrin. And therefore, under certain standards and terms and conditions. And therefore, I am saying to you this morning, temporary casual workers, this is for you. And I'm saying to those who are not here, for whatever reason, that unlike other occasions when we serve strike notice, this time is for across the board, all at once. And I took my time to read out the description of all of the bargaining units, simply to say to all that it is all of you that would be benefiting, and therefore it is all of you ought to be involved. No worker covered under any one of these bargaining units ought to be attempting to go and do injury to himself by going in. In any case, when you don't have the support of full crews and all of the workers inside, what in fact you will be doing, it will be unsafe. You are putting your lives at risk. Anybody who dare to go and put themselves in that unsafe environment, because you will not have the requisite support of all of the workers to rescue you if something should happen. So, a word to the wise. A word to the wise. What we are doing today on this historic Valentine's Day is preparing to ensure that we are able to celebrate many, many more Valentines to come. Many, many more Valentines. And forget the carnival. Forget the carnival, be very conservative. Very, very conservative. Yours is an opportunity to have extended mass way after Ash Wednesday. So don't go rushing the traditional mass. You will have an opportunity next year to buy all of the costumes and so on. And to those who want to purchase, those who have intention to purchase the costume, the high-priced costume which comes in little envelopes and so on, save your money. Save your money. Save your money. One parade we want is the parade ensuring that workers are present in the strike camp come carnival and so on. See about your business before anything else. Mind your business. The mass that we are accustomed to, we will be afforded that opportunity. We have many more carnival to come. It wouldn't go anywhere.